The Special Investigation Team (SIT) has initiated a comprehensive investigation into the rape accusations against Hassan MP Prajwal Revanna. The latest development includes the SIT conducting a local mahazar following the recording of statements before a judge under Section 164 of the CrPC. The SIT officials, consisting of one Deputy Superintendent of Police, two inspectors and a police constable, conducted investigations at both the Holenarsipura residence and official residence of MP Prajwal Revanna in Hassan. This move follows the SIT's recent visit to 3 areas within the district for inspection. The SIT team also visited the residence of Prajwal's father, HD Revanna, who is also facing allegations of sexual harassment and abduction. Notably, the SIT team arrived at the Holenarsipura residence with the victim, highlighting the gravity with which they are approaching the investigation. Present at the scene were lawyers representing former Minister HD Revanna, some JDS leaders and Revanna's wife, Bhavani. Meanwhile, over 700 women from various women's rights groups have urged the National Commission for Women (NCW) to take immediate action against HD Revanna and Prajwal Revanna. They cite alleged criminal activities and demand the arrest of both, a summons to the BJP president for clarification, and the disqualification of HD Revanna as an MLA. Expressing dissatisfaction with the NCW's response, they emphasize the urgency of addressing the case.